What up, folks? Welcome to the Lecture Fan YouTube video. It's a weekend in Big Sky, and we are here just outside Gallatin Gateway, just outside Bozeman on the Gallatin River. We just drove from Billings, 2.5 hours to get here. We're right next to the Gallatin. I'm gonna get the first drone flight up. Enjoy this drone flight now. What up, folks? We're halfway up the canyon. Here's the Gallatin River. Stopped on a little area here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Do you want to introduce yourself to the vlog? Do you have a internet name?
Don't have an internet name. Most people call me Moose.
Moose? Really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
That's my nickname.
Moose?
Moose.
Okay.
Like the animal.
Moose. So what's happening? What are we doing?
Going on up to the attorney retreat 2018, all attorney retreat.
Nice.
Gonna have some meetings. Gonna go up to the top of Lone Peak on the gondola. The gondola, right?
Tram. Same
Tram.
thing. Same thing. Nice.
Mountain biking experiences. Should be a good time.
There's Lone Peak. What up, folks? We're here at Summit Hotel in Big Sky. Check out the room. It's got like a fold-down bed here, so this is my room, but it doesn't have a. It's got a kitchen and a living room, closet there, entryway, bathroom. Pretty good sized bathroom. Pretty good sized bathroom. Entryway door, but yeah, pretty big, nice room. Whole kitchen table, fold out bed, and then here's the view. Here is the view. I might set up a time lapse out here. If I do get a time lapse, enjoy it now. What up, folks? We just got done with that first time lapse. I just got my second time lapse set up. Looking out my window here. Hope you enjoyed it. We just had our first couple of sessions here at the retreat, which was pretty good. Pretty good speaker about collaboration. That was awesome. Now it's cocktail party and dinner. And check this out. Another time lapse, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, so I'm gonna bring this and we'll see if anybody wants to get on video tonight. I doubt it, but we'll try. Alright, enjoy the time lapse on this next one. Now. What's up, folks? It's about 9:30 p.m. We just got back. I did this really long time lapse that ended up catching the light up here, but I did get some more of the mountains over there. So 2 time lapses. Hope you enjoyed the time lapses. 1 drone flight. I think I'm gonna get up early tomorrow morning and go do a drone flight early morning. Hopefully try to get a time lapse of the sunset too. So tomorrow morning, let's go. What up, folks? It's the next morning. It's 6:50. I'm meeting another associate down in the lobby at 7. We're gonna go fly the drone, take some pictures of the sunrise. Sunrise is at 7:13, I think. It's about 6:50. So want to do the quick vlog here, get it started. I'm gonna do a time lapse, I think, out this window again. So I hope you enjoyed the last night time lapse and the flight from yesterday. Enjoy the time lapse and the flight now. What's up, folks? 10:45 right now, Saturday. Just went up into my room, started another time lapse. We're on a short break here, so started that other time lapse. Enjoy it. Should be looking up at these mountains right there. You're on the Lecture Fan YouTube channel. Where are we?
Oh, we're here in Big Sky, Montana. Just finished up with a pretty awesome lecture.
What's your gamer tag?
Oh man, do I have to say that?
Yeah, you gotta have something to call you, and it can't be your real name.
On Steam.
Oh, nice. Yeah, what's your Steam?
1456, man.
Nice.
Great shit, man.
Wow.
That's awesome.
Jeez, now I'm worried about like demons and stuff.
Yeah. Well,
cool.
Force lightning.
So, anyways, we're going up there. That's Lone Peak.
The most mountainous looking mountain ever.
We're about to head up there. No drone, but I do have my GH4. Hopefully we'll get some slow motion. That's what it's all about. Folks, we are up here on the top of Lone Peak, baby, in Big Sky. Lone Peak, Montana. Being on the tops of mountains, I love mountains. You guys know how it is. I freaking love mountains. This is so cool being up here. Hope y'all enjoyed it. I'm gonna make a YouTube video. You got anything to say?
Man, it took me a long time to figure out where I wanted to go, but I found it at Big Sky.
That's awesome.
So come on back, man.
Cool. That's awesome.